Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and manage vibration settings on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open these settings. In these settings you want to go to sound and vibration, and then if you scroll down, eventually you should be able to find the vibration section where you have vibration and haptics. And if you go there, then you have several options related to vibrations. So you can turn on and off vibrations completely by tapping on the slider at the top, use vibration and haptics. Then you also have several sliders, for instance for ring vibration, so this is for the ringtone, for the incoming calls. You have notification vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, which is touch vibrations, and you also have media vibration, all of which can be readjusted by moving the slider to the left or to the right. And then you also have two additional options, vibrate first, then ring gradually, and also outgoing call vibration. You can also tap on this option in order to read a little bit more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.